Mahar Cartoon TV.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell you another new story and the title of the story is Laziness is Bad. Long ago, a boy named Dheeraj lived with his grandparents in a village. He was very lazy. He don't do any work on time and used to postpone every work to be done later.
Dheeraj, drink this milk.
You keep it here. I will drink later. Hey, this cat drank my milk. What will I drink now?
Because of his laziness, he always have to pay his bills. But still, he didn't stop his laziness. One day, due to his laziness, he suffered a great loss.
Always my laziness puts me in trouble. I wish I had some magic by which I would do all my work and no harm will be occur to me.
The god appeared on hearing his crying.
Stop crying, Dheeraj. Dheeraj, I will give you a magical wand which will help you completing all your tasks.
Oh wow! My magic wand! Now laziness will not going to trouble me anymore.
Dheeraj was very happy by having the magical wand. Now he started doing all his work with magic. But even after getting the magic, the laziness of Dheeraj did not end. Once he was sleeping in his farm, only then his grandfather says,
Dheeraj, I'm going to market for some work. You take care of the field and make sure that no animal will eat the crops.
Don't worry, Grandpa. Nothing will happen to our crop.
On saying of Dheeraj, Grandpa left and Dheeraj went back to sleep. Then a goat entered the field, grazing the grass and started eating their crops. Dheeraj wakes up hearing the sounds of the goat. He looked at the goat with one eye open.
This is just a goat. How much crop will she eat? I am not getting up. I guess the goat will leave after having a bit of crops.
Saying this, Dheeraj fell asleep again. After some time, when he wakes up, he saw that there was a buffalo along with a goat.
How much will a buffalo eat? Let me sleep for a while. Then I will drive them both with my magic wand.
Saying this, Dheeraj fell asleep again. After a long time, he woke up and he saw. Now there were a lot of goats and a lot of buffaloes in the field, which had eaten more than half the crop. Dheeraj quickly got up from the cot.
Goat and buffalo have brought all their friends too. If it goes like this, then the remaining crops will also be eaten. I have to drive them away with my magic wand.
By saying this, Dheeraj turned towards his magical wand.
They have broken my stick. What shall I do now? I have to do something, as these animals will eat the entire field.
And slowly wept loudly. Seeing Dheeraj crying, God once again appeared.
What happened, Dheeraj?
Lord, see what these animals have done to my field. I was about to stop them with magic, but they also broken your given magic wand.
Dheeraj, this field is ruined not because of these animals, but because of your laziness. You had a magical wand. If you wanted to stop the first goat with magic, you could prevent other animals from entering the field. But due to laziness, you kept avoiding it.
Means?
This means you are lazy. Even magic cannot do anything of your laziness. Therefore, you need to get rid of your laziness, not magic. If you start being active, then you will not be in need of a magic wand.
The god disappeared. By saying this, Dheeraj understood how important it is to cut laziness, and after that, he started becoming active in his work. He started doing everything on time without any delay. So friends, The moral of the story is that even if a lazy person gets a magical wand, he cannot achieve anything. So, we should always be active and never put any delays on our work.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.